Howdy, folks. Well, we had a request to slow things down a bit. So I'd like to invite y'all to sit back and relax, enjoy yourself, maybe set your feet up on the table. But don't set your feet in your neighbor's pizza. Just enjoy. A little reverb, please. Feelings. A little more reverb. Nothing more than feeling perfect. Trying to forget my feelings of love.
Sorry.
Looney Bird, what's wrong?
Oh, nothing, Billy Bob. Nothing at all. Except that I hate that song!
Oh, I'm sorry, Looney Bird. I didn't mean to pick one you didn't like. I'll tell you what, I'll do a different song, okay?
Okay, Billy Bob.
Here's a song that was #1, longer than any other song in the history of music. You Light Up My Life. With reverb. So many nights I sit by my window, waiting for someone to sing me this song. You light up my life. You give me hope. To carry on, you light up my day. Looney Bird, I can't sing this song if you're gonna play your radio. I said I can't sing this song if you're gonna play your radio. I said I can't sing this song.
Well, I wish you wouldn't.
Well, what's the matter, Looney Bird?
It's just nothing, Billy Bob. Nothing at all. It's just that I hate that song!
Oh, Looney Bird, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I guess I picked a couple losers, huh?
Well, I guess so.
Oh, Looney Bird, I'm sorry. Look, I'll play something for you, okay? What would you like to hear?
Rolling Stones!
Okay,
Rolling
Looney
Stones!
Bird, then let's have some Rolling Stones.
Rolling
1, 2, 3, 4. Here's one by Mick Jagger. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction. But I try, and I try, and I try, and I try. I can't get no. I can't get no